Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another Nendoroid review. For this Nendoroid, we're actually going to be taking a look at one of the more recent ones, and a very special one in this case, which is Kirby. I know I already made a Kirby video before, but this is the Kirby from the 30th Anniversary Edition. It is pretty much the same Kirby as the previous one, he just comes with different accessories. And then just showing it off, like again, he has like the original look of how Kirby used to look at like before, and then of course it has a bunch of glitter. The box is pink, which is not usually the case with Nendoroid boxes, but again, this is probably the best Kirby figure that you could get right now, unless you want to pay like over $100 something for the regular base looking one that I reviewed already. But I think this is going to be a great figure to look at, especially going into this year. There's still a lot of this Kirby available at Good Smile. I probably will leave the link down below. But yeah, let's get right into things and see what this Kirby looks like, especially for the 30th Anniversary Edition. Alright, so here we have the 30th Anniversary Edition Kirby. Now, this Kirby is very similar to the previous Kirby, as I already mentioned, but there is some slight differences. In this case, this Kirby, I don't know if you've noticed it already, he has like, let me turn this off for a second. Let me get this focused. So this Kirby has like shine on his eyes, instead of just the regular colors like the blue and the black and white. And then I actually have the old one for a comparison. Now, I don't know if it's just mine, but the colors do look a little duller on the old one, especially compared to the 30th Anniversary version. And again, the eyes are different, pretty much the same, but the coloring is different. The blush on the cheeks are a little bit pinker, and then even just the overall body color, while similar, there is a slight brightness on the newest Kirby rather than the old one. Granted, this is an older version of Kirby in terms of manufacturing and everything, but everything is the same. The shoes are brighter as well. They're more of a, I want to say red-pink, like a really red-ish pink. I don't know if that translates well enough in camera, as compared to just a regular sort of scarlet-ish red on the old Kirby. But yeah, that's them compared to each other. I do think that this Kirby looks a little bit better and more color accurate to the source material, especially the newest Kirby games and that kind of stuff. Now, let me get to the accessories, because those are a complete difference between the two. Starting off, we have an actual special base for this Kirby. It is the Kirby 30th Anniversary base, which I like it. I think it's nice that they made it a completely different base rather than just the plain old square with the arm that holds the figure. I think it's nice that they made it a little bit different than usual. And this one, just before starting to record this, has they're two different pieces, which I think it's pretty cool. Like it's not a whole unique piece. It's two different pieces that connect to each other and form the whole base for the Kirby. Moving on, let's put that aside with the boy Kirby on top of it. Why not? We have a little heart. Now this is, I don't know where this is from. I will try to get more information on where these special pieces are from, but it's a heart, and in the box they only show it on one photo of Kirby, and that's him carrying the heart. which most likely comes from the separate arm piece that the other Kirby did have, but this one also comes with. Now, he comes with the heart. It's just a basic pink heart. It's a different pink. It's more of a hot pink than anything, instead of the soft pastel looking pink. And then he also comes with a carrying bag. I forgot what these are called. I will put the name on the screen if I can figure it out. But he comes with a little pouch where he carries his things and everything. I think that's pretty cool. It's very well designed and everything. I don't know if it can move. I don't think it can. But it does have the peg for you to put it on his hand as well. So there's that. Moving on, he has a radish. I think it's a radish. Again, I will figure it out after I record the video. But different accessories. Not really many like power-up effects that the previous one had, like the fire, the electric, and all that kind of stuff. The sword. Oh, goodness gracious. This Kirby doesn't come with any of that. I think it's pretty nice that it's a different change of pace than the other one. It's not just the exact same figure, and there's merit to buying this one, especially since it's the 30th anniversary version, with a different box, different accessories, and a slight different coloration on the Kirby. The last sort of accessory that he comes with is the magic wand, which I think looks better than the other one. The other one that I showcased in the previous video, previous Kirby video, is just pure yellow. It's not a golden yellow, it's just yellow, like the base yellow over here. I think it's nice that they included a little bit of glitter on this. Well, it's covered in glitter, but I think it's a nice change of pace than anything else. Yeah, for the accessories, he has various different accessories, but this is not it. There's more, and that comes with the faceplate. So let me get those out. Alright, so Kirby does come with 3 different faceplates. I'm pretty sure that's the same amount as the previous one, but I am not entirely sure. But yeah, let's see what he comes with, honestly. I think these expressions are really nice, especially from what I've seen. So he comes with a confused, nauseous face. I think it's pretty cool. If you're doing like a stop motion animation with Kirby, you can definitely use this for the old Kirby, and it wouldn't make a difference as well, because it's Kirby. We have the old looking Kirby. I will put a picture like right here on how he used to look like before we got this little adorable critter. But yeah, I think it's nice that they made a callback to the old Kirby by using a different faceplate, especially since it is the 30th anniversary version. And yeah, I've said that a lot today, but yeah, he comes with a shocked expression, like, oh my god, look at that. Very big eyes. I really like this expression. He makes it a lot in a bunch of the games. It's very funny. I think it's nice. Now, these are very different from regular Nendoroids. Since Kirby doesn't have any hair or anything, it's weird to put them on. So you may be wondering how you do that. So here we have Globe Kirby, nothing else, no arms, no legs. That can happen. So yeah, there's that. So the way you take them off, I don't know if you get this, you may be wondering it, I don't know. So you have your Kirby, you twist the head, and then it just comes off. So that's how it works. So you can put it on the side, and then you can put the old ones in, and that's how you swap the faces. I think it's pretty neat. That's not something I showed too much in the previous one, but yeah. I think it's nice. Now, let me go to my final thoughts on this figure, because it's Kirby. There isn't much to look at, but there's a lot to look at, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let me go to my final thoughts. Alright, so before going into my final thoughts, I think this is something to really take into account when getting this Kirby. So, the box normally comes with just a number inside of it, and it comes with this type of panel. But this Kirby one, has all the different iterations of Kirby with his power-ups and everything. I think it's very neat because it showcases where everything comes from. And as you can see, we got the friend heart, we got the, where's that? The panic one. Where's the shine? Right here. The fountain of dream. And where's the other one? Where's the old Kirby? Or the confused Kirby? Oh, there's Glove Kirby, so if you want to recreate that, you definitely could. That's the hole-in-one Kirby. And then there's a bunch of different other ones. It does repeat every now and then, but hey, I think it's pretty cool. Oh, here it is. We got the Game Over Kirby now. That makes sense. And there has to be the last one, right? Where it showcases his original face. Let's see. Oh, there he is again. Took me a while to find him. I don't see him. Hey, that's the other Unpuku Kirby from the other Kirby set. And then we got the, I don't know how to pronounce that, so yeah, I'm not even showing it, it's right here. This one with the accessories. It comes with pretty much all the different accessories. I wish they made this Kirby right here. The Friend, Sunset, and the Kirby. I wish they made that, but can't ask for too much. If they make another one which is a different color, I'll definitely get it one day. But yeah, I thought this was something notable to take into account when getting this Kirby because it's a nice addition and it's not a bland just pink color in the background. But yeah, let's just go to my final thoughts. Alright, so for my final thoughts on this Kirby, I think this Kirby is good. For my final rating, I give him an 8 out of 10. The reason for it is because he isn't much different from the previous Kirby, and it's not much of an issue. I think that's pretty good. If you have something that's already really good, why change it? It's really just like more additional accessories for that old Kirby, and you can interchange the faceplates and everything, even though the coloration is a little bit different between each other, but not as noticeable as something like the Goku that we looked at last week. But I do think that if you are a fan of Kirby, you should get this figure because he might sell out and might skyrocket in price in the near future, like the previous Kirby's before him. But yeah, starting off 2024 strong with this figure and the Shenron from this week. I appreciate everyone for watching, and if you want to stay tuned for more reviews, there will definitely be more in the future. Subscribe and like this video, comment what your favorite thing about this figure is, and I will see you all in the next review. Bye-bye.